This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by testing and warming that weaker side. This builds honest feedback and prevents injury. Once warmed, make short passes at 5 meters and focus on foot placement and ankle angle. You should repeat small drills in 10-minute blocks so neural patterns form. Keep posture upright and eyes up. That helps balance and visual target fixation. Make sure to track reps and increase distance slowly to avoid compensating with the stronger foot. Once you can pass consistently, progress to control and more complex motions to build transfer. You practice weaving through cones using only the weak foot to force coordination, then add a controlled shot routine from 8 to 12 meters to teach power and placement. You should alternate in step and toe striking so different contact zones become reliable. Make sure to rest between sets to preserve technique and avoid sloppy repetitions that reinforce bad habits. You now integrate the weak foot into realistic scenarios so it becomes usable under pressure. Once done, play 1v1s and small-sided games where you commit to using that foot for passes and shots. This forces decision-making adaptation. Make sure to record a short clip and review one mistake each session. If you still miss, check hip rotation or ankle lock. Those are common culprits, and drill corrective exercises for 1 week before testing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.